Imagine someone reserving a seat for you at a table, writing your name on a small card, keeping it empty through a crowded, noisy room, refusing to let anyone else sit there, even when it would have been far easier to just let it go and move on. That's not just a nice image. That's exactly what's been happening with something in your life right now. And you probably didn't even realize it was being held for you this entire time. Give me a few minutes, because what I'm about to say might be the reason certain things in your life never worked out with anyone else. Not because they weren't good enough, but because they were never meant to be yours in the first place. You've probably had moments in your life where you thought something was gone for good. An opportunity that slipped past you while you hesitated. A version of peace you used to feel before life got complicated and loud. A closeness with Allah you had years ago, back when your prayers felt full instead of rushed. And somewhere along the way, you assumed all of that was over, finished, unavailable to you now. Something other people get to have, but you missed your chance at. But some things aren't lost the way you think they are. They're set aside. There is a difference. Lost means gone, unreachable, someone else's now. Set aside means it's still there, untouched, waiting for the right hands to come back for it. Allah doesn't discard what actually belongs to someone. He holds it quietly, patiently, waiting for the exact moment they're finally ready to come back and claim it. What feels completely gone to you right now might just be sitting there, exactly where He left it, with your name still on it. Maybe you've spent nights wondering why certain doors stayed firmly shut when you needed them open the most. Why certain prayers felt like they disappeared into silence for years without so much as an echo back. Why the timing never seemed to line up, no matter how hard you tried to force it. Here's the part that changes how you see all of that. Something being set aside doesn't mean it's being withheld out of punishment or neglect. It means it's being protected until you can actually carry it properly. Think about it honestly. Would you have handled it the same way 5 years ago as you would today? Allah doesn't hand someone their portion before they're actually ready to hold on to it without breaking it, losing it, or ruining it through their own immaturity. If it's still set aside right now, it's not because He forgot about you in the crowd of everyone else asking. It's because the timing you wanted wasn't the timing that would have actually let you keep it once it arrived. This should genuinely bring you peace. What's set aside for you was never at risk of going to someone else. Not luck, not you fighting harder than everyone else, but because Allah decided it belonged to you before you could ever lose it. Every almost that fell through, every opportunity that seemed to land in someone else's lap, none of that ever touched what was reserved for you. It was never available to anyone else to begin with. It couldn't have gone to them, even if they'd wanted it more. Here's where people get it wrong. They hear set aside and assume it just shows up eventually, so they stop praying for it, stop moving, and wait passively. But reserved isn't the same as delivered. Pray like you're walking towards something that already belongs to you. Ask Allah for it directly, specifically. Show up for what's set aside. Reserved things still require you to come and claim them. Whatever you thought was gone forever, some of it was never lost. It was set aside with your name on it the whole time, and it's still yours. Comment. Mine, if you believe something is still waiting for you. And if you know someone who's given up too soon, send them this. They might need to hear it was never actually taken away. Allah Hafiz.